Picked up a ground fault. Disconnected my wires that are feeding into this butterfly valve. That ground fault went away. Hooked it back up. Then I checked all my wires at the top here. Nothing's nicked. So then I took the butterfly valve loose. And as you can see here, full of water. That's where the ground fault came from. It's because he reset the clapper in here. Water ran down into the top. This is why you use seal tight 90s and move this away from the actual potentiality of getting water down in the top of it. So once again, full of water down in here. So that should get rid of my ground fault.